Forget everything you know about traditional robots. Those heavy, caged industrial arms bolted to factory floors are officially obsolete. We are witnessing the rapid birth of the general-purpose humanoid robot. We are not talking about distant science fiction, talking about what is happening today. Look at the modern factories right now. Companies like Figure AI and Tesla are deploying actual bipedal humanoids. They're walking, balancing, and manipulating complex mechanical objects. The iteration speed of this hardware is frankly staggering. Just 12 short months ago, these prototype machines could barely walk across a room without falling. Today, the Figure 02 robot is fully autonomous. It identifies loose parts, corrects its own physical mistakes, and works safely in highly dynamic environments. Tesla's Optimus division is showcasing robots handling delicate batteries inside their gigafactory. This is the biggest global hardware shift since the invention of the smartphone. This is the physical embodiment of artificial intelligence. We are putting massive neural networks inside a human-sized titanium chassis. The goal is incredibly simple but radically disruptive. Build a machine that fits perfectly into a world designed entirely for humans. No custom factory infrastructure is required. No massive safety cages are needed. Just drop the robot in and let it work. You are watching the violent birth of a multi-trillion-dollar industry. So, what exactly changed in the industry? Why are humanoids suddenly economically viable? The secret is not the mechanical hardware. Hardware consists of standard, high-torque actuators and lithium batteries. The real breakthrough is the onboard software. We aggressively shifted from hard-coded robotics to end-to-end neural networks. Traditional industrial robots needed millions of lines of custom code. They failed predictably if a single object moved 1 inch. Today, advanced humanoids use vision language action models. We call them VLA models in the industry. These robots literally run on digital systems similar to ChatGPT. Figure AI partnered directly with the engineers at OpenAI. This gave their humanoid robots advanced visual reasoning capability. The robot, at a messy table, through its camera array, neural network processes the raw pixel data instantly. It deeply understands context, physical weights, and complex facial relationships. Then it directly outputs precise motor commands to its joints. It is a seamless, closed loop of visual perception and physical action. There is absolutely no intermediate programming step involved. If the robot drops a heavy part, the camera sees the mistake immediately. The neural network adjusts its robotic grip strength in real time. This is real-time, autonomous physical reasoning. The robot learns physical tasks exactly like you do. We just upload the optimized weight, and the robot gets smarter overnight. Let us look closely at the real-world deployment data. BMW is not testing these expensive machines in a sterile lab setup. They put the latest Figure 02 directly into their Spartanburg manufacturing plant. The robot autonomously inserts complex sheet metal parts into chassis assemblies daily. This task requires intense millimeter-level precision. It requires constant, delicate force feedback across all robotic fingers. The robots operate quietly alongside human workers on standard assembly lines. The economic math here is absolutely ruthless and clear. Global human labor costs are rising consistently everywhere. Manufacturing industries face massive, crippling worker shortages. But a humanoid robot is projected to cost roughly $20,000 at scale. It does not need to sleep. It does not demand sick days or benefits. It works 3 full shifts a day, 7 days a week continuously. It charges itself independently and downloads the latest skill updates via Wi-Fi. Once a single robot learns how to assemble a complex car door perfectly, every robot in the global fleet instantly knows how to do exactly it. This shared hive-mind learning accelerates physical deployment exponentially. The return on investment for a factory drops from agonizing years to mere months. We are completely decoupling industrial economic growth from human population limitation. Global blue-collar labor market is about to undergo a massive structural transformation. So why is this sudden technological explosion happening right now? Why didn't we have these advanced robots long years ago? The answer was silicon density. Specifically, the massive leap in edge computing power. To balance a heavy bipedal robot dynamically, you need massive local compute. Sending raw HD video data to the cloud causes extreme network latency. A 1-second network lag means a $500,000 robot falls on its mechanical face. Today, companies rely on highly specialized edge inference chips. These modern chips run billions of neural parameters directly inside the robot's physical torso. We have also finally solved the hardware battery bottleneck. Next-generation lithium architectures give these robots realistic, long operational shift. Giants like Tesla and NVIDIA are heavily subsidizing this crucial robotics infrastructure. NVIDIA's Isaac platform provides a massive virtual gymnasium for robot brain. Optimus doesn't need to bump into a physical wall in reality to learn how to walk. It runs millions of complex simulated physics scenarios inside GPU clusters overnight. Building the physical metal chassis is arguably the easy and cheap part today. The expensive and difficult part is teaching the digital brain to understand human spatial environment, and that software problem is being solved right now. Disruption timeline is accelerating much faster than typical Wall Street analysts predict. Early corporate adopters are not treating these humanoid robots as cute research projects. They are aggressively scaling them directly into live production lines right now. Today, they assemble expensive cars and move heavy boxes in massive warehouses. Tomorrow, they will efficiently handle complex last-mile logistics and highly hazardous material. Within 5 short years, humanoid robots will likely enter the global consumer home market. Pundits worry deeply about AI rapidly replacing white-collar digital workers. The physical blue-collar global economy is facing an equally brutal technological shock. Those smart investors who understand this fundamental shift will build immense legacy wealth. Those stubborn companies who ignore it will be physically replaced by cold silicon and efficient actuators. Keep your eyes locked on the supply chain integration over the next 12 crucial months. The autonomous humanoid race is officially the new digital space race. That is the true market signal. Ignore the mainstream noise. Subscribe to NeonSync AI right now. Hit that notification bell to stay locked firmly on the bleeding edge of global tech. We deliver the brutal future directly to your screen daily. See you safely in the next high-speed update. Stay sync.